As a data-driven marketer, improving website traffic and user experience should be your utmost priority. To achieve this, you need to have a deeper understanding of your audience's behavior on your site using web analytics. While Google Analytics provides key insights on your site traffic, integrating Google Search Console can give you a more in-depth analysis of your website's performance in Google Search. Combining these two powerful tools can help you uncover where your site ranks in search results, discover the queries that drive clicks, and understand your user behavior. To seamlessly integrate Google Analytics and Search Console, ensure that both properties are collecting data for the same set of web pages. Then, click on Admin and ensure that you are in the correct account and property. In the Property column, find the section labeled Product Links and click on Search Console Links. Click Link and click Choose Accounts to select the accounts to link to the Search Console properties that you manage. Now select the accounts and click on Confirm. Click on Next and choose the web data stream for your site. Click on Next and review your configuration settings before submitting them. By closely monitoring key performance indicators and analyzing valuable insights from Google Analytics, you can pave your path to success. If you have any questions on how to set up your Google Analytics account, or have any requests on what you would like to see next, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.